Sawmill Gap to pick up the second section of the Bartram. Meeting Caitlin up there, and we're going to kind of self-shuttle ourselves, leave one car at Sawmill Gap, and then drive around to Wallace Branch. It's just outside Franklin. So, yeah, just a quick overnight, 14 or 15 miles point to point. So it would be like 10 miles today and 4 or 5 miles tomorrow. So, yeah, should be a fun little trip, hopefully. Yeah, but we got a 2.5 hour drive to get to the trailhead. So, it's supposed to be pretty today, but it's calling for rain tomorrow. So, anyway. So we're stopping at the rest area. I don't know, like 5 or 6 miles outside of Franklin. Just to use bathroom. It says the Smoky Mountain, North Carolina visitor information. So, large parking area here. I don't know where you go. So I just wanted to make a note. And this is a really nice like rest area. It's kind of weird because it's on one side of the road. So like if you're going northbound out of Clayton, then it's going to be on the left and you have to cross the highway. But there's just a sign that says rest area. But it's actually like a visitor center type thing because they've actually got a shop with like souvenirs and stuff. It's open 9 to 5 daily. Apparently all days of the week because it didn't say it was closed. So yeah, it's called Smoky Mountain Visitor Center. So it's right off of whatever this road is. It's between Clayton and Franklin. Yeah, 23. It is not the camera is not wanting to focus on that print. But anyway, so definitely recommend it. And the bathrooms are really clean. It seems like it's relatively new, so really cool. It's a little chilly this morning. It's 29 degrees up here. Up there's Sawmill Gap. Almost there. So we're going to hop in the car with Caitlin and leave my car up here and go to Wallace Branch to start our hike. So this is where me and Mom came out last time, but the Bartram comes out up there, so that's where we'll be coming out tomorrow. But for now, we'll take a ride to Wallace Branch. All right, so there's where me and Mom came down in the dark the last time, so I'm ready to go. Ready to go. All right, so we're here at Wallace Branch, so there's a little bit of parking here. That's how I go. Anyway, we'll get our packs on and hit the trail. Caitlin's over there doing some morning stretching. No. All right. Starting the second section. Trail is calling. Okay, so we're here. So I'll just do that. Oh, okay, it says there's water there. So maybe we won't have to go all the way down to the shelter. So they do have a map at the start. So, let's say we're down here, so we're just going to be hiking up to either here or all the way up to Wayah and camp for the night, and then tomorrow hike to Sawmill. Alright. So this is Wallace Branch. But there's a like little camping area right there. That's really cool. That does like a little campsite. Yeah. I don't remember what this plant is called, but it's kind of all over in this area. Man. We just looked up and saw this hill going up over this mountain, and we're like, we don't want to do it. But the views on this ridgeline are awesome. Ooh, that's a steep little climb here. Yesterday.
Oh, what'd they say?
It's a fantastic view down there.
Yeah. Those two little hoodlums down here.
Yeah. So I started snacking on these back at Overlook. So, first snack of the day. The leaves off the trees so you actually have the views. Wow. It's really thick here. So the trail had been pretty clear up to this point, and then on this side of the ridge, and a lot of leaves, but I think we're still on the trail according to the map. There's water up there. Let's see. Yep, it's up the hill.
Beautiful.
Snakes are hiding. Oh, oh.
I think at the beginning.
I don't know. If it's been like any of the rest of it, it's going to go up and over it.
Definitely feels kind of like you have like great piles at the beginning.
Yeah.
None of us have like a grill.
It with like the step.
Yeah. I wonder if they can saw.
I don't know, because I know. Oh, I see. Somebody stuck that up so you don't stick your foot down in this hole. Because underneath this leaf is a hole. So that's why this is sticking up. So there's no hole there.
That would be not good.
No. Yeah, I think it rained, what, yesterday morning? Oh, man. More climbing. This has been pretty relentless as far as climbing goes. I think it's supposed to be like 4,400 feet and 10 miles. We're not even to the steepest part. This road's about 5.5 miles from Wallace branch. So it's night time by the road. So I'm gonna give Sally the rest of the cashew cookie and I'm gonna eat this Mexico bar. What you got for lunch?
I don't know yet.
Nice little lunch spot. But now we gotta climb. We got 2,100 more feet. I wonder how often they open the forestry road.
It seems like sometimes it's like open year round for like bikes and hiking
Yeah.
and ministry.
Oh, it just says closed to vehicles. I've seen no campsites anywhere. And I guess you could have camp like there where we took the lunch break. But I've seen no like campsites with like fire rings or anything since near the creek. Gorgeous views though. I see it. Oh. Alright, so just got our first glimpse of Bald, where we're staying. I can't see where I'm pointing, but let's see. It's right on top of that hill right there. I don't know if you can actually see that on film or not. Pretty cool though. This makes me tired because we gotta go all the way over there. Wasn't bad. This does not look safe. I would not use that fire pit.
It does not look like it
Contain anything. So this is 6.4.
We have the climb later though, right?
Yeah. Because like we go up again and then we go down and then it's up, 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 up. But it looks like you can hang here.
That's too short.
I think this is too short. That would work. This is the first campsite we've seen since Wallace Branch, so. It's like you feel like you're the highest point and there wouldn't be any more climbing. And then you turn around. Oh, yeah.
You can like, I think I never bought one.
Oh, yeah, I've seen those. I haven't tried them yet.
Pretty good. I'm sure it's probably somewhat similar.
I can see why people would get confused because you got road that way, road that way, road that way. Which way is the right way to go? Camping. Alright, so the forestry road, or old forestry road, goes that way. No, we are going this way. Stay on the Bartram. We were enjoying this nice stroll around the corner, and of course the Bartram is gonna start climbing. This should be our last climb, about a mile and a half. Let's go, Sally girl. on my second snack, third snack of the day. I love these things. Fantastic. Anyway. Oh, it's like a campsite. I wonder if that tree is losing limbs. Because there's several like broke out. Yeah, that'd be a really pretty campsite though. Looks like a closed campsite. It is 8.1 from Wallace Branch. So right there on that ridge, right in there is the tower. So that's where we're headed. Hopefully we get to see a pretty sunset tonight. The clouds and everything. We'll see. Trails have been in great shape though so far. I mean, there's not been any water since Wallace Branch though. So camping options are somewhat limited. Probably in that big grassy field where the trail kind of split. You could probably camp there. I don't know what the mileage marker was. It was around 7.5. So anyway, other than that, there's really not been a lot of camping options. So. Ow. Man, it's so cool to see it. Be able to see where we're headed. It's like you can see the road. Maybe that's the forestry road that goes up there, but it's closed for the season right now. So that's the forestry road that we saw on the other side of this hill or knob. Now, it looks like you could probably camp here. Looks like people have right there. Set up a tent over there in that wide open space. So this is 8.7 from Wallace Branch. I didn't know that. Yeah. Oh gosh, I'm not ready for this. Wow. That break out from? whole blockage is. 9.1 from Wallace Branch. Can we go up the bank? No, that's briars. I can't go through that. There's not really a way to go around it. There's just too many thorns, so you just kind of have to go over and under things. And we've entered the twilight zone.
Crazy.
Yeah. And there's the tower. I don't know if this is like a campsite or not. I don't think so. I think this is just like an old road. Oh, I see. So this is 9.6 from Wallace Branch. Callie's determined to go under it. Oh, here's something new I've never seen on a trail. Corn cob. The views along this section have been really, really nice. I've enjoyed this. Other than the uphill Sufferfest. Upfield's always a struggle. Alright, so here's some water. So we're going to fill up water and all that here. So it's right here in this bend. And it is, well, whatever. Anyway, so it's like 10 miles from Wallace Branch. Alright, so we just got water. I'm carrying about 9 liters because we're camping up on top, so I'm not going to have water. So I'll refill my hydration bottle for tomorrow. And then I'm carrying 4 liters for camp. So I guess I'm at 7 liters, not 9. So anyway, so we got about a half mile to camp, I believe. Quarter to a half. Is it weird that I think this pack feels better when it's loaded down? I swear this pack is just like, it's like load me up. Go figure. Maybe we'll see an awesome sunset tonight as we're eating dinner. Huh. Oh, so right there's the AT. Okay, please use Wayah shelter. I'm kind of glad we didn't go to the shelter to get water. That's a half mile off the AT.
No, that sign lies.
We can do this, Sally. Can we do this? Made it this far. Yeah. Boy, if trees could talk, that one looks like it would have some stories.
I don't know.
I wonder what this post is for.
I got confused. I thought it was like our end point. Like, what?
Yeah. I guess it could be confusing because if they do straight, people would go side. I don't know.
Like, if the arrow is... Yeah, I know. You know, I trust him. Whatever.
But it's like they don't even give you a distance. They're like, it's up here somewhere. Just keep going. It's the big tower-looking thing. You can't miss it.
I think I ate like a sneak.
That's cool. Yeah.
Cowboy. Old aces.
Maybe. Yeah. Whew. Oh, I'm so glad that sun's out.
Actually warm. When we were getting water, I was like,
we made it.
I'm like being so confused about where the trail was.
Hope, my love, my world, my all. All set up. She's got the duplex. I've got the double rainbow. Got my X-Thorn with feathered friends and salad pad for quilts. Okay, so having this, one of my favorites. Actually, it tastes really good. Sour fruit gummies for dessert, along with hot chocolate and instant coffee. Oh, enjoying this view, man. It's just so pretty here. So dinner was good. Shrimp curry was a winner, as always. Yeah, just going to sit up here, drink my hot chocolate and coffee, and watch the last remaining remnants of sun, because no sun tomorrow. It's going to rain. But I fact that they've put like the mountains in the direction they're located.
Oh yeah, every panel.
Yeah.
That's nice. Lights?
Yeah.
I'm like, what is it?
Man. Cool place. I think it was worth it to come up here instead of being down by the shelter. Alright, so we got the bear bag hung and everything. I didn't film this, but I think it's in my other video. Just talking about the tower and everything. So Caitlin came down here and there's pit toilets. So, oh, there's the rabbit. No! Caitlin came down here to the pit toilet earlier. So, said they were unlocked. We're gonna go down and check it out. But, got Sally's dog jacket on. And sunset didn't get spectacular. I just have to be in a grocery store parking lot, apparently. But you can see lots of Franklin and stuff. It's really cool, but it's so like calm up here. It's quiet. Plus too, like the forestry road is still closed. So, you know, people can't just drive up here, and I think that's how most people come up here. But anyway, it was a good day on trail. You know, I had fun. It's always fun hiking and backpacking with other people and friends and stuff. So, oh Lord, what is it with the rabbits here? Good girl, Sally. Good girl. Come on, leave it. It's like the third or fourth like rabbit. This place is Rabbitville. Golly, there's two more. No, two rabbits. Yep. No, ma'am. Get that sass out your butt. So here is where the AT comes out. Oh, I could dump my garbage. I don't know if I'll do that or not. Oh, there's some daffodils. Oh. So we are somewhere. Oh, it's not even on this map. Okay. Because that's south of Franklin. Yeah, so we're at Wayah. So we just got this to down to Sawmill Gap. I think it's like 4 miles. Mostly downhill. So we'll see. Anyway, it's just a walk down here. Anyway, the trail turns right there. But yeah, a great day on trail. I mean, we had gorgeous weather today. Let's see. Where are the toilets at? I don't think this was worth the trek up here. Sally's got a doggy jacket on. So I don't know if I've actually shown this. So you see kind of how the fit is. So there's the zipper. And you stick your 2 little front paws through there. Oh, what was that? Oh, it's clean. Wow. So anyway, you see it's just a simple toilet, but they at least do give you toilet paper here. So, seems relatively clean anyway. back up to the tower. See my tent up there glowing. I don't know if y'all see that or not. Just a little lit up dot. But the day is definitely tough. I will say that. I mean, I was struggling. Just has a lot of elevation gain coming out of so yeah, coming out of Wallace, I know it's not Gap, it's something else, but coming out where we started, like, it was just a lot of elevation gain. And then we loaded up with water, and it's like, oh my goodness, what did I do? There's rabbits all over the place up here. No ma'am. But yeah, that climb today was just kicked my butt. But I mean, it was just so pretty. Especially once you got like in the burn area and you had even more views. It was just really nice. But yeah, I'm going to call it an early, well, I'm not going to call it a night so much, but probably study the map and read and stuff like that. And then call it a night, because I think the time changes tonight. So I think we'll get daylight till like 8. So we probably won't leave camp till like 9-ish. Depending on how bad it's raining or whatever. But anyway, I got like a carving board. Been windy. I just had to get out because my stake on that corner came out. I think it's good now. Let's see what the else holds.